Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert images or documents into text on your mobile device. So this process works for both Android or iOS. So if you're using any of those platforms or mobile devices, you can follow up with this tutorial and also do the same thing and be able to convert your documents or images into text. So for this tutorial, the application which we are going to be using is called Microsoft Office. So you can get this application either on Android or iOS. So for Android, you get it from the Play Store, but for iOS, you get it from the App Store. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using an Android device. So just simply head over to the Play Store or the App Store. And then once you have it open, just head over and search for Microsoft Office. And then once you search for this, you can see the best possible option or the match should show up on your screen. Once you have that searched already on your mobile device, you can head over and install the application on your mobile device. I already have this installed, that's why mine is showing open. So we can simply head over and just click on open right now. And then once the application is open for you, you should land on a page like this. Here you have the home screen, you have the plus button, and then you have the actions. From here, just head over and click on actions. And once this opens up for you here, you can see you have a whole lot of options. You can decide to sign a PDF document, to scan a PDF document. You can also decide to convert images to text, which is what we want to do in this video. So just simply head over and click on that. And if you're doing this for the first time, you would have an option here that asks you if you want the application as Office to take pictures and record videos. If you'll be doing this process regularly, you can head over and click on while using the application, or you can decide to only select only this time. And if I click on this now, you can see that Microsoft now can access my camera. So once the camera opens up for you, you have to make sure that the lens of your camera is clean. So you have to clean the lens a little bit so the camera can easily pick up most of the details on the document. And you can see from the documents which we are using for this video, the documents is not even so good. You can see the blacks are not so much, and just by the side you can see a black line running through the documents. So if I can be able to use a document like this that is not so good and I can get the text from all of it, so it's possible you can also use whatever documents you have. So once you have a document you want to convert, or an image you want to convert to text, just at the top right corner of the page also you can see an option there for your flash or for the touch light. So this helps you to on the flash if you are doing this in a place that is dark and there is not much light in the room. So you can toggle through these options and choose whatever option works for you, because it's possible the flash might help, or it's possible the flash might not really help so much. So once you are okay with the selection of the flash, just head over and align the camera properly to the document. And then once that's fine with you, you just head over and click on the button at the bottom middle part of the screen to take the picture. And then once you do that, it begins to process the picture or the image to get or extract the text. And then once it's done processing the picture and picking out the text from the document, you can simply scroll through the text which it has extracted to make sure the text is okay or is perfect or is fine. If you go through the text and you notice everything is okay and fine for you, you have two options at the bottom of the page. You can see there we have copy, and you can see there we have share. So you can easily click on copy to copy the text. And then once you have the text copied, you head over and click on share. And then once you head over to share, you can see we have the normal options, which we have the WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have Snapchat, and we also have Gmail also. So once you have the text copied, let's say you want to share this or send this through to Gmail, so you can just head over and then click on Gmail, and this will direct you straight or link you straight to your Gmail or the Gmail application or whatever messaging application you use on your device. And then once you're there, you just head over and paste the text, and also make sure you go through the text very well to make sure all the information you want has been copied from the document or from the image. Once everything is okay, then you can head over and send this to wherever you want, or copy and paste it wherever you want to copy and paste it. Okay guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. showing you how to convert images or documents into text using your mobile device as a scan or a scanner for you to easily do this and edit this text however you want to do it. If this video helped you out or you learned something new, please give the video a like. So if you want to see more helpful videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post videos like this on this channel. Or if you have any comments or any tutorial topic which you'd like to see me do in the future, leave them in the comment section. I'll go through them and I'll put it on my list of tutorials to do. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.